Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we've got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to share this with you. What we've got today is a 2018 Honda Civic SE trim package. Nice car. It's got a sunroof in it. It's got a 4-liter, 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. So what's turbocharger do for you? Well, it's going to give you more horsepower with having a smaller engine, and that means that you're going to get better gas mileage compared to a larger engine size. So it does have black interior, cloth interior, nice rims on it, nice white color on this. Car actually looks very, very nice. And wait till you get on the inside. Now get back here. It does have a backup camera. It's right above the license plate holder. It's right there. So let's go ahead and show you what the trunk looks like. Okay, got the trunk popped. Get in here, show you. It's got a lot of room, a lot of space in here. It's actually pretty deep and it's very clean. So let's go ahead and continue our walk around. But one thing that I noticed that kind of caught my attention is cool looking lights down here and the black trim around that. So let's just take a quick moment, show you the driver's side. Tell you what, the rims really is a nice contrast with the white exterior of the car itself. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Okay, here we go. Show you the black cloth interior. And right up there is your sunroof. It does have a shade that will pull over. You've got the black door panels. Let's look up front. So here we are on the inside. We'll take a quick peek here. I'll hop in here in just a second, show you the door panel and your window controls. Trunk release is right there. Do have manual seats on this. So let's go ahead and hop in. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. I've got the car started up. The gauges actually light up very nice. Pan around here, show you the LCD display monitor, climate control, your gear shift, storage compartment. So let's go ahead. I'm going to get in here a little bit closer to the gauges, and you can see as of right now the mileage on this is 71,093 miles. And you do have controls on the left side of your wheel. Now this is for your audio that connects to the Bluetooth for your phone, and cruise control right here. Now it does have push button start right here. So all you need to do is press your brake, push the button, it'll start. Ready to turn it off, just push that button. We'll go over here. There's your LCD monitor. It will go through multiple items on here, including your audio. And I'm going to go ahead and drop it down in reverse, and you'll see the backup camera engage on it. Nice safety feature. Get down here, you'll see you do have climate control. It does have heated seats, ladies and gentlemen, so we're coming into winter time. It's nice to warm your rear up when you get out in your car. So let's go ahead and turn those off. It's got a high, medium, and low setting. You do have control here for, if you notice up on the economy, it will actually help save you gas. Improves your gas mileage. So this does open up. If you notice, you've got cup holders down here, and there's a couple auxiliary inputs, including, well, I thought that was USB. It's not a USB. So let's go ahead and take a look in back. Okay, there you go. You can see the back seat, plenty of room back here. But one thing I do want to point out is on your sunroof, you do have a shade. So manual shading, very easy to close and to open. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 2018 Honda Civic SE 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It's very nice, very clean looking car. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Area code 740-992-4443 with any questions. If you like to test drive it, we'd love to let you set in this thing, go down for a ride in the road. Financing, we got options for everybody. We got great credit, average credit, bad credit. We've got something for everybody here. So give us a phone call. Hope to see you soon. Bye.